Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SES. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? In case maybe you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very impressive movement today when you stop and think about where the price started and where the price ultimately ended. Any rational person would say, yeah, today the price definitely made a very, very big move, very solid move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at, what is that? $6.50. Why is $6.50 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $6.50. If the price were to go down to $6.50, and then once it gets down there, just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price were to come down here, behave in this manner, and then start to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 650. Ideally speaking, if the price can continue to hold above this level right here at $7, that would be, best case scenario. But if the price does fall below 7, that's not the end of the world, because for the reasons discussed, still have that area down there at 650. What about areas of resistance moving forward? As far as where the sellers are at, I'm going to go ahead and call that $8.30, which is essentially where the party stopped today during that portion of the move. But all in all, any way you look at it, any angle you take, monster volume, great price movement. So now it's a very valid question to wonder, is this a start of something bigger? This one has moved big in the past, so let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.